Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Divination Diva. So, what are their current intentions for you? Let's see. So, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonate and leave the rest. This is a general reading for the entire collective out there. Yeah, this is a timeless reading also. Okay, nice. So, what are their current intentions for you? So, this could be about anybody who you think that what are their current intentions for you. Let's see. Oh God, we are not going to take that. There are three. Okay, let's do it. Okay. What are their current intentions for you? And we have quite a few cards. Okay, let's take some time to adjust all this. Can you see? 1 second. Okay, better, and I don't know where to fit this. I'll just fit it like this. Okay, this is wow. Okay, so we have the Ace of Wands and the Eight of Wands. I will just pick up these two cards and talk about them first. What do we see here? We see here creative spark, and we see here something flying. They suddenly have this kind of a realization that they need to talk to you. Okay, then, and it's quite sudden, I feel. Maybe they've gotten this realization, or they might get this realization in a week or 10 days or something like that, or they have gotten it in the past week or in the past 10 days, or this realization is still in progress, perhaps. So yeah, they just, this, oh, I need to do this. It's like that. It's just like that light bulb shining. That is the kind of thing that I need to talk to this person. I need to talk to this person. It's quite instant that they have been hit by that from the universe. So yeah. Okay, interesting. And it's very like this, just out of the blue. Yeah, out of the blue, that is the word. Then we have I'll just keep this aside. Then we have the Knight of Wands, the Magician, and the Ace of Swords. We have two aces. We have the Ace of Wands over here, and now we have the Ace of Swords. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the Knight of Cups. Yeah, first of all, with two knights over here, definitely there is some action involved because knights are action cards. So whatever their intention is, that this intention is to talk to you, to kind of have a conversation with you, and that to a very honest conversation. This they are going to turn into action. This will no longer stay in the energy world. It will manifest as an action. So they will definitely text you, call you, contact you in some way. Definitely. Definitely. That is happening because we have two knights over here. And this is a very nice kind of an energy. Why? Because we have the Knight of Wands and we have the Knight of Cups. So the Knight of Wands is somebody who's driven by fire. Wands element is fire. And they're like, okay, this, and again we had the wands, two wand cards over here also. So this is like, yes, this whole realization, this whole kind of action is driven by fire, definitely. But deep down, because at the bottom of the deck we have the Knight of Cups, the subconsciously they actually really like you. They actually really appreciate you. They actually have good positive emotions for you because we have the cups over here. We have a cups, Knight of Cups card over here. So though on the surface they might show that it's like it's like kind of an attraction, or maybe just like a conversation, or just like this form of pull they feel towards you, but deep down it's very emotional and it's very sweet, very kind of a thing. With the Magician and Ace of Swords over here, definitely what they are manifesting and what their intention is to have a clear cut honest communication, honest conversation. This is what they are thinking about, that honest communication. No bullshit, no nothing, just speak their mind and heart out to you. Beautiful energy, by the way. Okay, we'll take out few more cards. What's going on in their mind? What are their intentions? Okay, that is very nice. Chariot, Page of Swords, and Three of Pentacles. Now, again an action card, and that too a major arcana one. The knights that we had were minor arcana. This one is again a major arcana card, and this is again an action card. Again, forward movement, progress, just going for it. Yeah. And Page of Swords and Three of Pentacles, and at the bottom of the deck we have the High Priestess. Definitely their intuition is pushing them towards you. So in the previous spread we saw that we had the Knight of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Emotion, intuition, all of them are kind of the same thing. It is, with this spread, it's just clarified that they're going to take that action, and it's coming from a very emotional, intuitive, divine place. It's not coming from a place of maybe sexual attraction, maybe just like that. No, it's coming from a very divine, very kind of a spiritual place. So definitely this is a very good intention. This is a very good kind of a thought they have about you, which they even want to take forward. Definitely that is there. Now with the Page of Swords and Three of Pentacles, though with the Page of Swords over here, I see that this thing, this conversation, they want to have a clear conversation, yes, but they will start off as friendship with you. They will start off as just like normal meeting, normal friends, and normal kind of a how are you and what are you doing and this and that. Just a very pentacle based, a very earth energy, very grounded, very very practical, nothing very hasty. But because only because we have the Page of Swords over here, it is like in the mind in their mind they're thinking like 100 things, okay, maybe 1,000 things to do with you. So yeah, because but they'll appear on the outside that if it's like very grounded, very practical kind of a thing. So yeah, let's just end this video with one card just to conclude the entire video. Okay, this fell off. Knight of another Pentacle card. Okay, and Ten of Cups. Okay, very nice. Okay, this is very, very, very good. Knight of Pentacles, and at the bottom of the bottom of the deck we have the Ten of Cups. Definitely, yes, we have another knight. Okay, this is happening, guys. This is happening very soon. Could happen in a week. Definitely could happen in a week or 10 days. Definitely it's happening. And with the Ten of Cups over here, it is like this is what they see with you. Perhaps this is a romantic connection that you are watching this video for. If not for romantic connection, this person sees a future with you. This person sees something long term with you, because over here the Knight of Pentacles is also very stable earth energy, and the Ten of Cups is the family card. So yes, if it is for a love reading that you are seeing, definitely they see a future with you. They see kind of a they see kind of a happy family kind of a thing with you. Otherwise they see a lot of stability with you. So stability and happiness and emotions and everything they see with you. So yeah, this was a very good video. Their intentions are very positive, very stable, very intuitive, emotional, very heart-centered. Yeah, they might come off as hasty, or they might come off as a little bit of impatient, but in their subconscious they have very good feelings, they have very good intentions for you, stability and happy family. So yeah, so that is all I have for you today. Hope this helps. Like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I put up a new video. Also comment down below and let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.